Good afternoon, Hawaii. Justin Cruz here from the KHON2 News Studio with an update on the impacts of what was once Hurricane Lane, now a tropical storm. As that system moves away, we're still feeling some of the impacts in terms of the rain, and I'm going to give you an update on that right now. We have a flash flood watch for the entire state of Hawaii right now. Areas are going in and out of flood advisory, and the flash flood warning for the Big Island, the eastern portions, that has been extended through at least 5 this afternoon. And what I'm seeing is more heavy rain move through, so that would most likely be extended in through the evening. Now, we have had a wet weather situation despite the fact that Hurricane Lane is a much weaker system compared to the last several days. It's still in the proximity of the Hawaiian Islands and still has winds around the core at around 50 miles per hour. And there are thunderstorms firing off near the center of the system. Even though the clouds look like they are moving towards the islands, that's just the upper level clouds. The core itself is pushing away and towards the west at 7 miles per hour. So here's what we're looking at. It's not really a threat to the islands in terms of being close or bringing any kind of strong storm surge or any kind of winds. We are seeing strong winds, but as the system pushes farther to the west, it will have less and less influence over the islands hour by hour. At this point, though, it still does have some impacts. You can clearly see parts of the state seeing heavy rain, and we're going to break it down island by island. Flash flood warning continues for the Big Island. We have thunderstorms near Cape Kumukahi that are moving in from the south, and even more offshore of Kalapana that will be moving in from the southeast and basically hitting the slopes of Mauna Loa and depositing that rain all the way up through that coastline. We're in good shape right now for Kailua Kona, no heavy rain. Maui's also seeing that rain. It's started again to move past the Hilo area from the south, moving north into Maui Island itself. So there is a possibility that we might see some flood advisories for Maui if the rain starts to get heavy again, and especially in spots like West Maui Mountains in through Kahului all the way through Hana, and especially on that southeast slope of Haleakala. No problems for Lanai Island or Molokai right now, just some heavier showers for the Ko'olau Mountains, and again the moisture moving through. So far so good. We are seeing some sporadic heavy rains along the Ko'olaus, but we're not seeing any problems with any kind of flooding threat. We do see heavier showers moving through Kauai right now, especially in the interior areas. And for Kauai, the rain is coming from a different direction. It's actually coming from the east, so we could see that start to move through. But over in the south shores, the normally drier areas like Kekaha, Hanapepe, Kalaheo, seeing sporadic heavy rain. Again, we still have the moisture from Hurricane Lane, even though the system is pushing out to the west. And of course, we'll keep you posted as parts of the state go in and out of flood advisories and flash flood warnings. And then starting at 5 o'clock, this is just in an hour, we have an hour-long special edition of the KHON2 News, followed by our KHON2 News at 6. We are on air and online at KHON2.com, and we will be back at the top of the hour.